sheet pan Dijon crusted salmon, potatoes, and string beans. Salmon is one of my faves. I'm Keri Glassman, registered dietitian from Nutritious Life, and I am so excited to share one of my favorite one-sheet pan dishes with you, a walnut Dijon crusted salmon, roasted purple potatoes, and string beans. Delicious, of course, and fast to prep and easy to clean up. I preheated the oven to 450 and I'm gonna prep the potatoes right now. I love purple potatoes because just like blueberries, we know are famous for having anthocyanins that add so much nutritional value. Actually, people that replace white potatoes with purple potatoes have been shown just by doing that for 6 weeks to decrease inflammation. So they're really packed with nutrients and just so good for you. And of course, they also have the fiber, and they've also been linked with lowering blood pressure too. I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil here, add some salt. Reduce the amount of packaged processed foods, eat more real whole foods, and then you can afford to add that salt. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some pepper. Roast these for 15 minutes. I'm going to prep the string beans using that same bowl that I just prepped the potatoes in. Again, less mess, the better, right? And one thing I love about string beans, aside from the fact that they're loaded with antioxidants and fiber and water volume, they're not polarizing. Who doesn't love string beans? Most kids and adults like them. So again, adding a little bit of salt and some pepper. Mixing these up. They're ready to be added to the pan. Now I'm going to make the Dijon-Walnut crust for the salmon. So this is a real omega-3 heavy dish. And we know that omega-3 essential fatty acids are good for cognition, they're good for mood. If you want a brain boosting, heart healthy recipe, this is for you. So here I've got the 2 tablespoons of walnuts. Now I'm going to mix in a bowl here, 2 tablespoons of Dijon, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a little bit of parsley, a teeny bit of salt, and then my 2 tablespoons of walnuts mixed together here. So easy, it's adding nutrients. Even the mustard is loaded with antioxidants as well. My salmon is prepped, and I'm ready to add my salmon and string beans. Sometimes I'll even cook these a little bit longer. It just depends on how crispy you like the potatoes. I'm gonna add salmon right here, string beans, and just throw them in here, squeeze them in. I'm gonna throw it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. We're gonna be good to go. And so little cleanup. Okay, I think this delicious meal is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. Here we go. Look at this beautiful dish right here. And here you have it, a delicious weeknight one-sheet pan dish. I have to dig in. I have to have a bite now. Delish, every time.